Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to enable the spacer block on WordPress. If you've ever wanted more control over your page layout, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access and enable this feature to make your site design cleaner and more flexible. First, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress website. In the top right corner, click the login button to access your dashboard. You can log in using your WordPress credentials, or for faster access, choose Continue with Google and select the Google account linked to your WordPress profile. This ensures a smooth and secure login process. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. Look for the Edit Site option in the Quick Links section and click it. This will open the WordPress site editor, where you can make changes to your pages and blocks. Inside the site editor, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Preferences. In the Preferences panel, navigate to the Blocks category. Here, you'll see a list of all available blocks, including the spacer block, which allows you to add custom spacing between sections. If the spacer block is currently disabled, simply toggle it on. This makes the spacer block available in your editing options, giving you the flexibility to create clean, well-spaced layouts on your pages. And that's it. Enabling the spacer block is that simple. Now you can easily adjust spacing on your WordPress pages to make your content look polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.